Hi everyone, Joe here with DC Rods. I just wanted to go over a new application that I just came out with for these LED light strips I supply. I'll be using Velcro this time instead of zip ties. I just wanted to show you guys how easy they are to install. It's quite literally plug and play after you get them in place. So you'll have Velcro on the back of your light. Go ahead and take the soft part off. And then once you got your lights positioned where you want them, you can go ahead and lay down your Velcro. And this is industrial strength Velcro, so it's super sticky. You want to try to make sure you get it in the right spot the first time. So after you got your positions located, you can go ahead and lay this Velcro out. Nice and centered wherever you want it. And you smooth it out real good. And if you're really worried about it sticking real well, or if you're doing it when it's cold outside, I recommend hitting it with some sort of heat gun. If you're using an industrial strength one, be careful not to melt the Velcro. There we go, we got that side mounted already, and all you gotta do is stick it right in place. And that thing's solid, it ain't going anywhere. You gotta quite literally force it off. Industrial strength. So you get that right where you want it. You can also reposition it if you'd like. And then you plug your wire in. So that one's set up and ready to go. We'll do the next side. Same deal. Pull off your soft Velcro side. Take the protective layer off. It's super sticky, it's kind of hard to get off. There you go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Same deal. Okay, that's done. Plus you ain't gotta worry about this soft stuff hurting your canvas or anything. That's a plus and part of the reason why I went for this. And just like that, your lights are in place. Plug them in and turn on the power. We got lights. Depending on what kit you get, you should have a dimmer switch. Just like that, you're ready to fish. Alright folks, if you're interested in ordering a light kit, just shoot me a message on my page, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.